So if you're going to buy one of these combo kits, that's basically what you're going to get in the box. Everything you see here. Here we go with a real quick unboxing. See what we're going to get inside of this DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo. So this is a Creator Combo. I'll put a link below if you want to check this out yourself. And prices and more details, etc. But let's see what we're going to get inside this with a real quick unboxing. Give it that spin test. Oh, the spin test has literally gone off the table quite well on a spin test. We're going to open this up with this bad boy. Just from the side. Look at that. It's giving you some instructions on the side, and you've got your products here. Let's have a see. So inside this part we're going to get this little bit of handle that's going to be a microphone, a receiver. You've got your little microphone there, little wireless microphone, little tiny tripod. Seems quite well built. That's made of metal. And another little attachment for the bottom. Inside this part you're going to get your instruction manuals and probably your warranty and all that sort of business. We're going to get some leads, one of them lanyard things. We're going to get a little wind muff attachment, little dead cat sort of thing that's going to go on top of your little wireless microphone there. Little tiny joystick. That's a little joystick. Look at that. Give you quite a lot in this. So we're going to get an iPhone attachment. That's the iPhone cable attachment. And then we're going to get the Android version, which is the Type-C attachment right there. So that's how you can attach it to your phone. A little lens. This makes the field of view a little bit more wider than just on the camera itself. And here we have the main part of it. You've got your case. Look at this case, and the gimbal camera is inside. So there's your case. You can attach all your little attachments inside the case right there, and there's the gimbal camera right there. Look at that. Let's try to line these up nicely. That is everything you're going to get in the box.